All right, let's do a room tour of the new Hyatt Caption in Tokyo. As you walk in, you got a nice storage area for your suitcase, shoes. There's the fabric and air freshener, shoe horn, and a brush with a ironing board. There's some storage spots here with your slippers, your safe, and pajamas in 2 different colors. I really like the color scheme. It looks really nice. There's a nice little picture of a coat, your coffee station with a branded coffee cup, exactly same as the ones that are branded in Shanghai. You got drip coffee, you got tea, sugar, cream. There's a fridge underneath it. And milk, I'm guessing for the coffee or tea. Very nice. No other drinks though. There's the kettle, and I believe that's the iron. Full-length mirror here. And a king-size bed. So this, I believe it's the smaller room that has a king bed. There's a larger one. But here's a nightstand with USB-A. So it's control for all the lights, TV remote. Room size is pretty good for Tokyo. It's about, I think, 200 square meters. There's a cork board. Remember there was a cork board in the Shanghai Caption as well. With some, are these magnetic? Yeah, these are magnetic. It's cool. Another power plug here. Recycling and garbage. Nicely upholstered chairs. A design magazine. A little sofa here. And this side has a USB-C charger built into the charging stand here. The ceiling is really tall, like really tall. And it's finished in wood, which is very nice, very warm. And here we have the washroom. It's a sliding door. I think it's good privacy. Has a Toto toilet. This looks like a fancier one that opens for you. Yep. The Neo Rest. There you go. You can close it. Standard function. It doesn't look like there's a dryer though. Kind of weak. The shower is a walk-in shower. Looks very nice. Looks brand new. This hotel just opened like 3 days ago or 2 days ago. It also has the same branded Apothic bath lotion, shampoo, conditioner, as well as the hand soap. It smells fantastic. Need to get some of this. Get the hair dryer, another plug there. Got the mirror, and yeah. I think overall it's a very well laid out hotel room. It's located near Nihonbashi Station, so very convenient. I only took 1 train to get to the hotel. And the hotel is about 120 meters, 130 meters from the station.